Everybody, it is Tuesday. I just wanted to give you an update on the seedlings. I believe I started these last Tuesday. They've been up for a few days, but I've honestly been neglecting them a little bit, and I just wanted to show you what I do when they're kind of up. So, as you can see, it looks like we have 100% germination rate on them. With that being said, it was a little slower, so I had to increase my temperatures. And yeah, so that's why you do some test seeds. So most of the time, sorry about the runny nose. So most of the time they will come up with the seed still attached. Some people will crack them. Some people will, kind of use a pair of pliers to get them off. All I typically will do is, it's usually easier with two hands, but they want to come off. They want to slide off. So you can take it, slide it off, peel it off like so. Try to be careful, still a seedling. Don't go crazy with it, but you'd be surprised, how ungentle you can be. And like that would just wanted to come off. So I bet you this one I pulled off yesterday just because, and it's already open. These ones that I just peeled off will be up by the end of the day. It looks like this one. Let's dig down here and see what's going on. Looks like the stem is there and the leaves are kind of trying to pull out of the seed case, which is still down there, so maybe we'll pull the leaf up to see if we can free it. There we go. So every once in a while you get something kind of weird and just wing it. So there we go. And that'll be up later today. So again, the purpose of these plants was just to test some germination. These plants will not be going in the pumpkin patch. All I will be doing is harvesting their soil to go into the pots for the real ones. But that's it, guys. So that's the next step in your seedling process. Remove the cotyledons. Oh yeah, actually worth noting. We could probably look. Let's see here. We're going to attempt to do this with just one hand. I bet you there's some roots all the way at the bottom already. Yes, there is. Look at that. So we take the lid off the cup. Look at that nice, beautiful, fuzzy root. So these should only be in here another day or two before they start to get real bound up with roots. So I would say, once you see the leaves, 3 to 4 days at the absolute maximum, you want them in these little cups, and then put them in your big ones. See you guys.